That's right. That's a big statement that's coming from U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent. And now the question is, will the United States administration look at taking off or waiving off this 25% additional tariff penalty, which was imposed sometime in August last year on account of India's energy trade with Russia? In fact, let me also quote what Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has recently stated to a magazine. He said that a 25% tariffs on India has been a huge success. India's purchases of Russian oil have collapsed, and tariffs are still on. I would imagine that there is a path to take them off now. So that remains to be seen on whether the US administration, whether this is priority for the US administration to sort of waive these tariffs off, because this has been one of the key demands as far as the Indian administration is concerned. This has been one of our key priorities because we have been slapped with 25% additional oil tariffs when of course, China continues to trade with Russia, and of course, members of the European Union, they have also continued to trade with Russia. Now, the other important aspect is the fact that this is coming in after engagements between the Indian side and the United States side have increased, especially after Ambassador Sergio Gore, after he took over, he stated that trade is an important part of our bilateral ties. Of course, we will continue to work closely with India on energy, on tech, on security, and of course, trade. In fact, we've also seen a call. We've also seen External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar get on a call with U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio. Other than energy, security, technology, trade was also an important part of a conversation, and both hinted that there could be a possible meeting between both the sides as well. We also saw the visit of U.S. Senator Steve Daines to India. He met with the Indian officials, including India's Commerce Minister as well. So it remains to be seen what the US administration is going to do over the next couple of weeks, over the next couple of days. Engagements between both the sides are only increasing. And this is something that the Commerce Secretary has also stated. He said that discussions have not broken down. However, we cannot really put a deadline to the package deal that both the sides are looking at.